Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Just back to the lot, we've got a 2012 Honda Odyssey. My wife's been driving this one for a few months, so I've got complete confidence in it. It's a 2012. It's got a clean Carfax on it. It's got decent alloy wheels there. It's got huge trunk room. So I got to unlock it first. Come back to that in a minute. Silver with chrome trimming. Inside is clean. Door panels are in great shape. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Power driver seat. Cloth interior is in good shape. Lots of cup holders. Lots of storage. Lots of additional little compartments and chargers, and there's more compartments down there. You got your media center. Includes Bluetooth, auxiliary, CD. There's no engine lights on. The recalls have been done on this vehicle. It did have a couple of recalls. We took it to the Honda store, got that fixed. It's got your in-steering Bluetooth and cruise controls. You got your power rear doors here. If we press that, they open automatically by themselves. In the back, we've got buttons there to open and close the rear doors. It's got up to 8 passenger capacity. You've got the cloth seats here. They're in great shape. Carpet's in great shape. This center seat will fold down for cup holders, or in our case, we just took it out so that there was an easy path to the back seat for our little ones. In the back, you got 3 shoulder strap seat belts back there. Total of 8 passenger capacity in this vehicle. If you hit the close button there, the door will close on its own. Great for school drop-off. We used it a lot when we were dropping off our kids at school because we could pull right up in the line and open the door. The back has a ton of room. Great for grocery shopping, and it sits down in here so your groceries didn't roll out. It's got the Odyssey branded black format there. Great in case you spill something. These seats here will also fold down if you wanted more room in the back. Built into the key remote are the power lock and unlock and the sliding doors. So if we hold this one down, it will open that door automatically. Niftiest feature ever to come out on a minivan. The seats are all just freshly detailed. In great shape, no rips, tears, no stains. Door panels are in great shape. Dash is in good shape. It's got the original books. It's got the lock for the wheels. It's been a beautiful, reliable vehicle for us. Now it's time to find a new home. If you're interested, go to our website at mallardmotors.com, fill out an application. I'll get you approved on it. That's mallardmotors.com. Remember, trust the duck.